Hello there. It doesn't look much different, but believe you me, I've been out here for maybe 6 hours because the whole of this area was an old tip, because this house goes back to Cromwell, so you never know what you're going to find when you start digging. But I didn't go down that far. But the beautiful thing I did find was this gorgeous little perfume bottle that you can still it still smells of perfume, like old lady perfume, but you can see metal, rubble. But basically now what's happened is this is all dug over. I've got to rake it. That has got to be secured with stone. I've had a lot of plant seeds, you know, medicinal herb seeds come through today, so I'm pretty much all ready to go. This polytunnel will be here next week, so you really got to keep watching this space, because I reckon in about less than a month there'll be really good things to look at in here, and then I'm going to take you through how to pick, keep, preserve, make medicines from the things that I've got, to take you through the whole process. Okay, alright, bye. It's alright.